Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, the Menzi Ngubane Foundation shared the good news kubona bonke abantu who are Menzi Ngubane's fans and followers. But again, something good is cooking. A documentary film titled NGUBS is coming soon, produced by Siyabonga Zungu and co-produced by his wife Sikelelwa Ngubane and directed by Ntokozo Mahlalela. Izobe khuluma about Menzi Ngubane's life and times, which I also assume they will touch the characters he portrayed on our screen. The late South African actor Menzi Ngubane wayaziwa kakhulu ngocijimpe emidlalweni kwakhala nyonini ewumazwi kubambo lwami ewusibusiso ungamla on Generations kwisibaya enguJudas nakwamanye amaningi ke amasoapy adlala kuwo on our screen. He passed away last year March emva kokugula isikhathi eside. Although he is no more, but his legacy guys is continuing. Many of us sikhule simbuka, and he was the role model to many young actors because of how well he portrayed all the characters given to him. Like many of his fans, I'm also looking forward to this documentary. He may be gone, but he will never be forgotten. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.